For the stretch part, corrective exercise for the wall angel, a mouthful, but that's what it is. We're going to use a foam roller. So you grab your hopefully fire roller. We're going to take your hopefully fire block, and we're going to put this right here. Now, the first thing you're going to do is find the middle of your middle back. Simplest way to kind of think about it is that it's the middle of your shoulder blade. It could be a little bit lower, higher, but that's a great place to start. When you're here, you're going to put your hands behind your head. You're going to dig your heels into the ground, gently squeeze this. You want as much motion through your middle back as possible and as little motion through your lower back as possible. So that's why I had this here. That's why I'm digging my feet in. I'm trying to create tension from the ground up or from the bottom up so that I don't move in my lower back. I don't feel this in my lower back. I only hit where I want to hit, which is the middle back. And your middle back is really anywhere where there are ribs. That's anatomy for you. So inhale, exhale. If you notice, there's a nice little chin tuck, the neck is totally protected, and as I exhale, my obliques are firing, all four of them, two on each side, and they're keeping my ribs knit down into my pelvis and protecting my lower back. One more time. You can do this 3, 5, 10, sky's the limit. If you feel like you're still getting benefit, you probably are. Next thing you're going to do, hit that wall alligator. So let's say you're having some trouble with the wall angel. Pretty common. So what we're going to do for the release is get this pec minor. So the pec minor spot that you're going to hit is go even with like kind of the top of your armpit and then just come into the outside line of the nipple. There's no easy way to explain it, but it's a great anatomical landmark. And that's right where you're going to want to be. So we're going to take that fall, but we're going to use a yoga block, or again, you can use, if you have the foam roller that we sell, you can just use the cap. It's super easy. But we're going to put this right here. We're going to put this ball right here. I'm going to get in on that spot. 3 slow breaths. And then I'm going to take this arm and kind of do like a wave with it. So I'm scanning to see where 2 or 3 of them. And right about here in the range, which I know might be hard for you to see, but I'm about like 120 degrees. That's where I feel it most. So then what I'm going to do is take that, tighten up my stomach, exhale, and just gently bring my hand off of the wall. Doesn't have to be a lot. It's only coming off about this much. If you can't come off, that's okay. Just try to come off. That'll get those antagonistic muscles, those opposite muscles to the pec minor, the ones in the back, to fire up. That's all we really need. So again, just a little bit of a lift off for 3 to 5 times. So that's the release. The stretch that we're going to do uses the foam roller. The train that we're going to do here is this. So it's really pretty nice. So I call it a wall alligator. You're going to take something, this is just for comfort, purely, under the knee. Then you're going to go like this. And this is kind of your truth detector, lie detector. I don't know, whichever way you want to look at it. But what we're doing with this is making it so that you can't rotate through your hips. You have to be moving through your middle back. So what I'm going to do is inhale. Then as I exhale, my fingertips are coming towards you along the wall. And I'm opening up and tracing it with my eyes. Inhale. This is such a good one. You can do it 3, 5, 10 times. It doesn't make a difference. If you're still feeling like you're getting some progress, you probably are.